Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Windows Update file. Now, the thing I'm going to show you first is not what to do, but if you go to the search settings here and you want to go to settings here, if you go to settings and you go to Windows Update and you go to update history and you find this option here, uninstall updates, it won't actually uninstall the update files, right? This won't uninstall or delete the update file, but it'll remove the update from your laptop. It basically will downgrade your laptop, right? If I click on uninstall updates here, you'll see that uninstalling updates may put your PC at risk. So unless you know what you're doing, it's better if you don't mess with the settings here. Instead, the way you can uninstall the used files, think of it like an APK on your Android, right? After you've installed the APK, you still have the APK on your storage that's basically useless. So if you want to do that, just go to System, go to Storage, go to Temporary Files, and then you'll see here, it'll scan our temporary files. Now let's just wait for it to finish. Now you see, after it's finished, you'll see that there's a lot of stuff we can delete, right? And this includes Windows update files that's not being used anymore. It doesn't show up for my option here because I've deleted it before, but you can see there's like Windows error reports and feedback diagnostic, there's thumbnails, delivery optimization file, antivirus, temporary files, a lot of stuff, right? So the way you can delete these, you can just check on the ones you want and then click on this button here to remove the files. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.